in Python software in our laptops. Okay, for this we have to go to python.org. This is the official website. It's Python. Okay, from here you can see like how we can run the Python. Everything is shown up on the website itself directly here, and we have to go to our download section. For now, I'm using Windows laptop. For that, you can use Windows. For others, like you can see, Mac OS is also available here. For other platforms, also they are installing. They are giving the source to install the Python software. For now, we will try for Windows. Okay, click on Windows. If you see, this is the latest release of for Windows version. You can see the Python 3. Okay, version number is 3126. Okay, but always try to choose the stable version. Okay, for every software installation is why means like the other one, the latest beta versions might have unstable code versions. Okay, for checking all the existing well tested features, you can work on stable versions. Click on this 3.11 version. You can go here. What all the releases they have, everything was shown up here. Actually, see here what they have as part of this 3.11.10, right? They specified everything what they did and everything here. Okay, you can go here and you can install the software. You can see the software has been installed, downloaded here now. Okay, you can run this. Double click on that. Okay, it will show you the process. Okay, installing 13 3.13 version. I'm installing that here. Click on this. I have to click on S. Now, if you see, the Python was successfully installed on your laptop. Now, if you see, if you're new to Python, you can directly use the tutorials. Also, you can try it on terminal. At your terminal, launch Python. Okay. Now we have to cross check whether Python was installed properly on machine or not. Okay. For that, go to command prompt. Okay, type Windows plus R, it will give you the run command. In that you can type cmd command to open the terminal or command prompt. Okay, here you can directly type py. See here, it will clearly shows you which version we install in your laptop. Okay, Python 3.13 version .orcs2, and it will show all 64-bit RAM and AMD 64 on Win32 or Win32. Type help or something. Okay, this is all the like it. Oh, we are making sure that it's available on the Windows system properly installed. If you see Python